A half cup milk. 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. 4 tablespoon castor sugar. 2 tablespoon cooking oil. Mix well. 1 cup all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 pinch salt. Mix well. Pour prepared mixture in a bottle. Grease the pan. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes each side. A half cup milk. 1 tablespoon brown sugar. 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. 2 tablespoon cream. 40-gram dark chocolate. Cook on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Chocolate chip. Sprinkle.